Hello, thank you for your interest in B-TEK's intercom systems. In this presentation, we will review our standard product offerings for voice-over IP products. Feel free to contact your B-TEK sales representative with questions about your application. Additional technical information and detailed product literature are also available on our website. The IC Edge is the newest addition to the B-TEK line of intercom systems. The outdoor IC Edge turbine stations have high-quality digital sound with an advanced adjustment feature to conform to your surrounding environment. The turbines are available with a stainless steel or thermoplastic housing with an IP66 ingress rating. Additional equipment can be easily added to your system depending on your site requirements and has several available mounting options. Configuration is easy using the intuitive IC Edge software in your computer's web browser. The turbine hardware also features a dry contact relay and digital inputs and outputs to integrate with external devices. The IC Edge system uses several state-of-the-art technologies to deliver high-quality audio to the user. Automatic gain control automatically adjusts the gain depending on the user's distance from the station. Active noise canceling calculates noise components in the signal to remove unwanted noises. Automatic volume control adjusts the volume levels of the speakers depending on the ambient noise in the area. Shown are the available IC Edge turbine options for the scale area. The top row shows the equipment with intercom capability, and the bottom row has intercom and video capabilities. The video models allow you to view the person at the scale and be recorded if a third-party software license and BRIA 5 software is installed on your computer. The video demonstrates a TCIS-1 making a call, then canceling the call.
Your call has been registered. Please wait for assistance.
During normal operation, the operator would pick up the call and have a conversation, then end the call after hanging up. If the M button had been pressed, communication is only in one direction, from the call station. The TA-1 enclosure can be used for outdoor installations when surface mounting, and it can also be used in combination with adjustable goosenecks when pole mounting. The TA-5 and TA-2 are used when mounting into a studded wall. No additional equipment is needed when panel mounting, but B-TEK does offer pre-cutting the panel to install the turbine. When having issues with wind noise, the TA-14 can be added. Shown are several items for the scalehouse area. The ITS-V1 can be used for any type of turbine. The SDS-1 and the 7000 desktop model do not have video capability. The mobile application uses your area Wi-Fi to answer calls and has a 60-day free trial period included with your IC Edge turbine purchase. The VS client can be used on your PC if you have a microphone and speakers installed, and is free with your turbine purchase. B-TEK offers a wireless headset to be used with IP desktop phones, and an optional gooseneck mic for the 7007 dual display model. In busy office environments, the Exigo equipment can be a great solution to help drivers hear you at the scale. This equipment offers the same technology as the IC Edge turbine systems and is designed normally to be used on chip bridges. The equipment is easy to use with programmed call buttons. The number of stations in your system will determine which products you will need. The system is powered by a PoE switch or an external power supply. The 5-port switch can handle up to 4 devices, and the 8-port switch can handle up to 7 devices. Most applications will find it easiest to use the PoE switch. The IC Edge supports several communication protocols and phone system platforms. The equipment shown on this page would be purchased for a typical one-directional truck scale application. The PoE switch would be plugged into a 120 volts AC outlet to supply power, Then Cat5 or Cat6 cable will connect to the local area network, ITSV phone, and the TCIS-2 turbine station. With this configuration, you will not need to run 120 volt power out to the scale area, only the Cat5 or Cat6 cable. The Cat5 cable or Cat6 cable is not included and will need to be purchased separately. Keep in mind each device will need its own unique IP address assigned. The equipment shown on this page would be purchased for a typical 2-directional truck scale application. Just like the 1-directional, the PoE switch will be plugged into 120 volt AC power. Then Cat5 or Cat6 cable will connect to the local area network, ITSV phone, and the TCIS-2 turbine station. The only difference will be the second turbine station will be configured as a normal IC edge station and not the controller. Like the 1-directional application, the Cat5 cable or Cat6 cable is not included and will need to be purchased separately. The equipment shown on this page would be purchased if you're looking for higher quality audio at a lower cost. All connections will be made the same as the last 2 systems, but your PoE switch will now be connected to your computer that has a microphone and speakers. The VS Client is a free software download and has, as an option, add the mobile application for the ability to leave your scale house. Your PoE switch will need to be connected to your router controlling your Wi-Fi network. Keep in mind, you only receive calls while connected to your Wi-Fi. The calls will not be made through your cellular connection. Shown as a comparison of our intercom systems, the A-phone analog system has worked well for years but does have its limitations. The wireless system is a good choice for many applications. Volume levels can be adjusted on each device, making the call boxes loud enough to hear with the engine running. The IC Edge takes sound quality to the next level, using digital technology to filter out unwanted noises. To learn more about the IC Edge system, please visit www.btek.com or contact your B-TEK sales representative. We have created a setup guide and downloadable configuration files to simply install your system. Thank you for your time.